Hello and welcome to this week's LNG shipping market update for week 46, 2025. The UP World LNG Shipping Index gained 0.57% this week, closing at 168.10 points. This outperformed the S&P 500, which gained just 0.08%. However, this modest headline figure conceals significant turbulence beneath the surface. The defining characteristic of this week was intra-week volatility. Many stocks experienced sharp declines early in the week, only to reverse course and close slightly positive or flat. The median movement was just 0.05%. And the ratio of rising to falling companies stood nearly even at 10 to 11. Looking at the winners, Norway's Awilco LNG led the pack with a gain of nearly 5% importantly. This marks its first positive week after 6 consecutive weeks of decline. China's COSCO Shipping Energy Transport followed with a gain of over 4%. While Sakos Energy Navigation rose 3.29% and broke through short-term resistance. On the downside, New Fortress Energy suffered a dramatic 21% plunge. This came after the company postponed its results publication due to ongoing negotiations with creditors. ADNOC Logistics and Services also fell 3.49%, breaking through previous support levels. But here's the week's most important story: widespread reversals. Major players including Chevron, Accelerate Energy, Flex LNG, Golar LNG, and the Japanese shipping trio all rebounded from attempted declines during the week. This pattern suggests underlying buying pressure despite surface-level volatility. The fundamental backdrop remains supportive. Tanker charter rates have climbed above $82,000 per day, according to Spark Commodities. Additionally, new LNG powerplant projects continue to be announced, including initiatives by TotalEnergies and EPH. Looking ahead, the UPI continues trading within its established range with firm support. While we expect short-term volatility to increase among individual constituents, the broader market pressure appears to point upward. Trading volume remains elevated, reinforcing this view. The long-term outlook for LNG shipping remains positive, driven by growing global demand and potential for new long-term contracts. That's all for this week's update. Thank you for watching, and see you next week.